This problem asks us to solve the systems of equations by using elimination, and we'll use elimination when neither of the equations have a variable solved for. So for instance, x and y neither are solved for, and x and y neither are solved for. So for A, what we want to do is we want to line up these equations with x and y on top of each other, like so, and see if either of our variables will eliminate if we add or subtract the equations. So if we look at the x's, 6 and 2 will not eliminate, but if we add -5 and 5 together, the y variable will eliminate. So what we're going to do is we're going to add down 6x plus 2x is going to give us a total of 8x. -5y and 5y eliminate, and 10 plus a -2 gives us 8. To solve for x, we need to continue and get rid of multiply by 8, so we're going to divide by 8, where x is going to equal 1. We're not done yet because we're solving where the two lines intersect, so we need to sub x back in to one of our equations up top. So we're going to take 1, let's sub it back in for the bottom equation. So let's write 2 times 1 plus 5y equals -2. So I've subbed in 1 for that bottom equation. Now if we continue, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 5y equals -2. Continuing on down. Now we have to isolate y. I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides to move the numbers to the right. 5y is on the left. -2 and -2 together is -4. And we're going to divide by 5 and get y equal to -4 over 5. We write our final coordinate as 1, -4 over 5. To start solving for letter B, we need to again line the equations up and look to see if anything will eliminate. A 3 and a -6 will not eliminate, neither will a -1 and a 4. So what we have to do is we have to choose a variable to eliminate, and we need to scale one of the problems up or down so that way they will eliminate. We could make the x's have a coefficient of 6, or we could make the y's have a coefficient of, let's say, 4. Looks like it's easier to change a 3 into a 6 here. So if we scale this top equation up by 2, we get 6x minus 2y now will equal 24. And now you'll notice when we add these equations together, a -6x and a +6x will cancel. A 4y and a -2y will total to be -2y, and a -24 and a +24 will equal 0. Now we just have to solve for y, so we're going to divide by -2. 0 divided by -2 is 0. Now since we've solved for y, we need to sub that back in to find x, so we're going to take 0 and plug it into, let's say, the top equation. So let's write 3x minus 0 equals 12. 3x equals 12, and divide by 3 to get x equal to 4. We write our final solution as a coordinate because it represents our two lines intersecting at 4, 0.